my eggs in. I'm gonna let my eggs boil right alongside my potatoes. And I added in 7 eggs to my potatoes, okay? 7 eggs. Okay, so the marinade has a lot of seasoning on it for the ribs. So I'm gonna add some seasoning, but I'm just gonna add some seasoning salt and some black pepper. And I'm not taking it out of this pan. I'm gonna use this pan. I'm not gonna rub this seasoning in. I'm just gonna spread it across like so. Okay. to them. I know the seasoning salt got some red on it, but I'm gonna put me some of this paprika on it to help get me some color. So we just gonna have this nice baked ribs today. Y'all know I love me some ribs, okay? Now I'm gonna put this back in the oven and we're gonna let this continue to cook, okay? Okay, so my ribs cooked for approximately 2 hours in the oven, covered in this aluminum foil pan, okay? Then I took it out, the aluminum foil off of the ribs, and I allowed them to cook for about 45, maybe an hour more, uncovered. And my temperature has been at 350 the whole time. As you can tell, these ribs are tender because when I was lifting them up to put them in this pan, see how easy they come apart? They tender, y'all, okay? But what I'm gonna do, you can eat them just like this. Trust me, they very, very tasty just like this. But I am gonna put some barbecue sauce on there because my kids love barbecue sauce. So I have to put some barbecue sauce on here and put it in the oven and let the barbecue sauce cook on for maybe about 10 or 15 minutes, y'all. Okay? For these ribs. Put the barbecue sauce on it, okay? How tender it is. See that? On this end, you know. And that marinade is very good. That was Toneys saturated marinade that I used. It's kind of spicy, but it's good. And I just want y'all to see how tender the meat was, okay? And this is in the oven. It's really good. See how it pulled back on the bones right there? A perfect pull back, okay? But I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to put the barbecue sauce on this. I'm going to put this in the oven. Okay, so I'm rubbing my barbecue sauce on. Use whatever barbecue sauce you like. But what I would suggest is if you're going to use this Toneys saturated marinade, don't use anything spicy because that marinade is spicy. It's good. Oh my goodness, it's good. But I like it. It's for pork. Oh yeah, I really do like it. Add your little brown sugar and some white sugar to it to bring off that heat, to try to balance it out. You can add a little lemon to it to balance that heat. Okay, y'all, so let me go ahead and place this on in our oven, okay? Okay, everybody, I got these ribs. I got them out of the oven. They look good. They are tender. Look at that. See that pull back on the bone? On this end, you can just pull that bone right on out. Look at them ribs. Look at them. And this is oven baked now. So a lot of people don't like oven baked ribs. I understand that. I love the charcoal grill ribs. But I don't know how to grill. I can cook. I've been learning how to grill by watching videos. But one day I'm going to show y'all a video with me learning how to grill. But y'all, this is good. I think that this way that I just did them was perfect for these ribs. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video watching me cook these ribs for my family. They turned out good. I showed y'all how tender they were. And let's see if we can slice through him. Well, I'm holding this camera, but see that? It went through. See? See? Perfect.